Hello everyone! Welcome back again to our channel, Ram's Tutorial Educational. Please like, share, and subscribe to our tutorial. So before we start our new discussion today, guys, so allow me first to greet you a Merry Christmas and prosperous New Year to everyone. And welcome back again to our channel. So today, we're going to discuss about verbs. So our objective today is that we need to identify each verb in each sentence. So, talking about verbs, my dear viewers, when you see it verbs, remember that verbs are words that tells actions or conditions. Or it might be tells what someone or something is doing. Remember when we see a verb, this is what we call pandiwa in Tagalog. So it shows or it tells in actions. So for an example, the words that tells in actions. So for example, writing, reading, cooking, washing, eating, jumping. So those words are examples of verbs that shows or tells in actions. Or nagpapakita po ito ng kilos o galaw. Okay? So, that is what we call a verb. Okay? That is the correct definitions of verbs by their viewers. So now let's have first our example. I have here, the boy and his grandmother cook a sweet dessert. So the word cook here is what you call a verb. Why? Because this word, it shows an actions. What the mother does, what the boy and his grandmother rather, does is to cook. Means, they cook a sweet dessert. Cook word means is an action word. Or salitang nagpapakita ng kilos o galaw. Or this is what we call in Tagalog, pandiwa. Okay, again, my dear viewers, my dear students. Okay, so before we start for our exercises, again, that verbs is what we call tells and actions or conditions. Or it might be something, someone, or tells what someone or something is doing. Kung ano po yung ginagawa po ni what we call ni Simono, the subject. So for example, here in our example, the boy and his grandmother, this what we called are the subject. Okay, the subject doing is to cook. This is the word what we call verb. Or nagpapakita ng kilos o galaw. Now let's proceed first for our exercises or our drills. This is a motivation process wherein the students might be tested or giving an exam, what we call different types of motivations wherein the teachers might be checked whether they understand our discussion today about verbs. Or verb is an action word. Or salitang kilos o galaw. Okay, let's up first for our directions. Direction means it helps students how to answer. So we need to read first the directions. Remember that, my dear viewers, before you answer the questions, you need to read first the directions. Our direction says, underline the verb in each sentence. That means to say, sa longguhitan lang po natin, sa pangungusap, at hanapin po natin kung ano po dito or kung saan po dito rather ang pandiwa or the verb. Because our objective today is we need to identify the verb here in each sentence. We have 3 sentences class here. Okay? What we are going to find it out is we need to identify, we need to underline. So lungguhitan po natin at hanapin po natin ang pandiwa or salitang kilos or the actions, which is the verb. The word verb here in its sentences. Okay? Shall we proceed it? Sheila drives a white car. In our sentences, we need to find it out. Where is the verb? Again, Sheila drives a white car? We need to underline it twice or thrice to emphasize that our answer. The word drives here, my dear viewers, it shows an actions. So this is the right answer. So this word is verb, right? Sheila drives a white car. Ang salitang drives ay nagpapakita po ng kilos or salitang kilos o galaw. Who drives a car? Sheila. Okay, drives means is a verb. Number 2. Carl writes a letter to her friend. The word writes is an action verb. It shows or it tells about that Carl writes a letter to her friend. It shows an action. This is what you call the verb, my dear viewers. The third, Adrian teaches his brother arts and crafts. The word teaches here, my dear viewers, my dear students, is what we call the verb. Why is that this is a verb? Because the word teaches, it shows or it tells us an actions. He teaches his brother about arts and crafts. Okay, my dear viewers, and this is our discussion today about verbs. Again, verbs are action words or conditions, or it might be tell what someone or something is doing. And remember, my dear viewers, that actions, anything that we does or we do is that an actions. And that is how we are going to find it out, the verb. Hope, my dear students, my dear viewers, you really understand about our discussion today about verb. If you have any questions, suggestion, please comment to our suggestions box below. Once again, good day and bye for now, and we'll see you to each other again for our new video tutorial. Bye!